Hello and welcome to our very first video in this course. In this course, I will be showing you how to make your own Android application alongside with the necessary PHP web services to set and get the data from my SQL database. And it's gonna be on the web, not a local host. So you can distribute your application to the market and it can be used by anyone. So the tools we're gonna use for this course is three main things: a text editor for writing the web services, for writing PHP web services, and a FileZilla, the FTP solution, and Android Studio. The text editor, which called Sublime Text 2, is a very friendly text editor. You'll see it's very friendly and it have nice theme. So go ahead and install the Sublime Text 2. Sublime Text 3 is currently in beta, so go ahead and install your platform. I have Windows 64-bit, so I'm gonna choose that. And secondly, for the FTP, I'm gonna be using FileZilla. It's the free FTP solution. It will be used for uploading the PHP files to the web server. So go ahead and download the FileZilla client, because we're gonna be the client, not the server. So download this and you can go ahead and just start this. Okay, once it's done downloading, please go ahead and install the two files. And we're gonna install the FileZilla client. As you can see, this is the FileZilla. We will discuss it more in details in the upcoming videos, and I will be showing you how to use it in the right way. And for the Sublime, this is the main page for Sublime. I will be going in details in the coming videos. So there you have it. We have the Sublime, the FileZilla FTP solution, and the Android Studio. That's all we're gonna need to accomplish this course. Okay, that's it for this video.